broken wing mirror. Before you jump online to grab a replacement, let us save you some time, money, and a lot of frustration. Today, we are showing you how to match the exact wing mirror for your car, so you get one that fits and works perfectly the first time. When buying a used mirror, matching the make, model, and year is just the start. The real secret? Checking the wire count and plug color. Let's take a look at the Toyota Prius. Inside the plug, you'll see a number of wires, and in this case we have 7. This is your first clue about what features the mirror has. For example, 2 wires, just the basic power adjustment for the glass. 3 to 5 wires, power adjustment plus a heater element to defrost the mirror. 6 or more wires, power adjustment, heater, and an indicator repeater light. Even more wires could also include features like power folding or blind spot detection sensors. Even if 2 mirrors look identical from the outside, the wiring inside can be completely different. If the plug and wire count don't match your car's, it either won't work, or you'll be stuck with extra features that can't be connected. So here's how to match it right every time. 1. Find your car's make, model, and year. 2. Remove the old mirror and check the plug color and wire count. 3. Note any extra features, like indicators, power fold, or heating. 4. Match those details exactly when ordering your replacement. When buying from a used parts supplier, send them a photo of your plug and wiring along with your vehicle details. That's the fastest way to make sure you get the right part. If you're in New Zealand, check out Auckland Japanese Car Parts Centre for used parts at fair prices.